In addition to this, we have filed total 34 cases in the AFTs, principally in Delhi, then in AFT Jaipur. We have tied up with certain advocates in the AFT Lucknow, AFT Kochi, AFT Chennai. But the problem is, when you go to those AFTs, only those who are come under the jurisdiction of the AFTs only get the benefit. That's why we try to go to Delhi. Out of 34, as I mentioned to you, we have already won 5 cases. We got original application OA numbers for 22 cases, and 7 cases are lying with us, which we will forward soon to our advocates in various AFTs. As you know, the AFTs are not functional as on today because those members who are retiring, judicial or administrative member, they're not being reappointed by the government for the simple reason 90% of the cases are won by the ex-servicemen and government has to pay a lot of arrears. That is the reason the government intended to kill the AFTs. But however, the Supreme Court has reminded the government of India to regenerate the AFTs. Hopefully, in a year or maybe in 18 months' time, we are going to win the balance 22 cases. Now, we are got ISO certification from a reputed ISO certified company based in United Kingdom, London. They come and carry out check of all the documentation that we do to see that we are maintaining proper documents. All our transactions are through checks or through the banks. There is no cash payment by T-Seva. Seeing this, the income tax department has given us exemption from payment of income tax on our income. Our income is mostly the subscriptions we receive from the members. Our subscriptions are very, very low. For offices, it is just 100 rupees lifetime. For a JSOs, it is only 50 rupees. For a Sipais, it is just 20 rupees. I would request you, members of T-Seva, to kindly convince the Fauji friends who are not members of T-Seva to join. We have also got a benefit of 80G from the income tax department for the donors. If a donor gives us 100 rupees or 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or even 1 lakh rupees, let me tell you, the former Chief of Naval Staff, Admiral Madhavendra Singh, gave us 1 lakh rupees. He is not even a member of T-Seva. So we get that kind of a donations, and the income tax department gives them exemption of 50% of what they give us. Suppose you donate 1000 rupees, you can deduct 500 rupees from your taxable income and pay the income tax for the rest of the things. So we need more members. Our aim is to cover maximum number of ex-servicemen in the country and the family pensioners, so that they have got some platform which helps them to get all their grievances redressed. I am not promising that T-Seva does everything, but we try to do whatever we can within our means. All the management committee members are not paid even 1 rupee. They spend their own money to come to the office in their own vehicle, pay for the petrol, diesel, whatever it is. And I am very happy to tell you that T-Seva is one such organization which has got its own office building of 1200 square feet, 2-bedroom apartment where we function as an office, and we have not received 1 paisa support either from the central government or the state governments. My humble request to all of you, kindly motivate the Faujis, ex-servicemen who are not members of T-Seva, to join this wonderful organization. Thank you so much for showing your patience to listen to this 3 or 4 videos about T-Seva. Bye-bye. God bless you. May you always be happy and healthy.